Welcome to Trigonometry 2020 Summer Edition. Attached to the email where it told you to click on this in My LSMSA, you'll find a syllabus. You can print that out if you'd like. There's also one available on My LSMSA. But let's see what happens if you log in so you can see how to get on here. You should have your username and password. If not, we need to contact Ms. Roe Myers or Dr. Christy Key. If you have any problems with My LSMSA, they are probably the best ones to look at. You can always contact me, but I have less control and I'm not at the school to help, but I can get the word to them. When you get in, I'm not sure exactly what yours look like, but if you have to choose your class, you click on Trigonometry. Now for your daily routine, probably the first thing you'll do is look at the assignments. At this point, there's no silent assignments because it usually defaults to active assignments. We can look ahead in the future. And this is where I'll put the quizzes and the tests. This first quiz ID 1 through 8, that'll give you each of these names, should give you an idea of what the quiz is covering, so you can review that before you log in and take the quiz. They're around 10 minutes, so you don't have a lot of time, but you do have from midnight, like this is Tuesday the 26th, until 11:30 p.m. that same day. It will only appear on the assigned date, but I think you can look ahead. I haven't been on the student stuff. Once you're done looking at that, you might want to do a review, take the quiz right away. It's all up to you. You've got all day to do it. When you go back to the bulletin board, the list here, the course outline, shows you, like on Monday, AM and PM. I'll break the day into two pieces. 1-1 and 1-2 will be the AM stuff. You can certainly do this all at once, but I was suggesting this maybe as a way of thinking about a whole day. These are the topics, and the assignment at the end of each chapter is a review set of problems. In this chapter there are 50. I just cut them in half, so it may or may not match up exactly with 1.2. If there's some more 1.2 later in 26 through 50, it might happen. Maybe there's some 1.3 in the 1 through 25. Could happen. So the AM assignment 1 will be due on the AM May 26th. The PM assignment 2 will be due the PM the next day, the 26th. So this is just my suggestion. You get up at 8 o'clock, you say, okay, I don't have any quizzes today. I go through and I'm going to do these two sections and do these problems. You can look in the textbook. You can go down and there'll be videos for each of these sections, these links. If you lose the syllabus that I attached in the email, it also has one here that you can get. Then you'll be done, I don't know, say you're done at 10 o'clock, you're done at 10:30, something like that. You go out and mow the lawn for mom and dad, or help in the garden, make lunch for them so that they can say, wow, what a great kid. And then back along 1 o'clock, you come back and say, okay, now I'm going to do 1, 3, 1, 4. Once again, the videos are down here. You can look at all of them. And you've got the textbook, work the problems. Once you get assignment 1 done, make sure you put those pages together in or take pictures, and you can send those to danderson@lsmsa.edu. Try to make sure the pictures go in order so I'm not jumping around between problems. It's just a little helpful. And then once you get done with assignment 2, you can send that to me in pictures also. Then you'll go get a good night's sleep, wake up early the next morning, and start it all over again for 4 weeks. Don't fall behind. It's easy to do. It's hard to catch up, really hard. Just keep up, and it'll be great. The idea here, I guess, is to just make sure you realize this is like a job. You're going to work maybe, 8 hours a day. Maybe not 8. But there's quite a few. perhaps 4 or 5 hours a day that you'll be working on this stuff. It'll be hard, but it'll be over in 4 weeks, and you'll concentrate on it, hopefully, and that'll make things get, understood well, and you'll be able to go on to the next course. So, we'll see you on Monday, May 25th, at least online.